Tapi bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
Few moments later.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Ade Junaga. I will briefly explain about the film A Fall from Grace. Plot summary. Grace Water is a middle-aged woman living in Virginia, recently divorced and emotionally vulnerable. She meets a charming younger man named Shannon, who sweeps her off her feet after a whirlwind romance. They marry, but things quickly spiral out of control when Grace discovers Shannon has been lying, cheating, and stealing from her. Eventually, she's arrested from his murder. The story is told through flashback as Grace's public defender, Jasmine Bryan, tries to uncover the truth. The major twist in A Fall from Grace is that Shannon is not actually dead. Grace confesses to this murder, believing she killed him after a violent confrontation. However, Jasmine uncovers that Shannon is alive and part of a large con operation, alongside Grace's close friend, Sarah, who is revealed to be Shannon's mother. Sarah has been working with Shannon to scam and insult older women, draining their finance and psychology manipulation them. In a chilling scan, Jasmine discovered that Sarah is keeping multiple elderly women locked in her basement, including a former co-worker of Grace who had been reported missing. While the movie builds suspense, there are several notable plot holes and production issues. First, courtroom logic flaws. Grace is convinced to plead guilty despite major inconsistencies. In the case, as no body, no murder weapon, no forensic evidence. In real life, the case likely would hold up in court. The defense lawyer, Jasmine, is portrayed as inexperienced, but her lack of basic legal strategy, like questioning the absence of a body, feel unrealistic. Second, unbelieving police work. The local police seem entirely unaware of multiple women being held captive in Sarah's house. This raises questions about the realism of the investigation. Third, rash production mistake. Several scans contain visible error. For example, background actor are seen pretending to eat or drink without actual food. A courtroom extra is spotted looking directly into the camera. Some scan reach actor or location in a confusing way. Fourth, shaky pacing and waiting. The film features half focus heavily on Grace's emotional journey and romance, then suddenly shift into a legal trial with a dark cream subplot. The tweets will suppressing feel somewhat forced due to limit build-up and character development. Perform. First, Crystal Fox as Grace. Give a standout perform, balancing vulnerability with inner strength. Second, Priscilla Rush as Sarah. Quietly chilling, her turn from friend to villain is one of the film highlight. Third, Bressa Webb as Jasmine. Although her character is underwritten, she brings determination to the role. Fourth, Megan Brooks as Shannon. Portrays the charming but sinister conman convincingly, though the script does give him much depth. Themes. First, emotional abuse and manipulation. Second, trust, betrayal, and loneliness. Third, the failure of the justice system. Fourth, exploitation of vulnerable women. Conclusion. A Fall from Grace is a film with a strong emotional stack and a shocking twist, but it suffers from weak writing, logical flaw, and rush extension. It shows potential, especially in its center mystery and perform, but Tyler Perry quick turnaround production, as reportedly shoot in just 5 days, result in noticeable error that distract from the story. Still, for fans of twisty legal drama or Tyler Perry work, it remains a watchable trial. Just don't go in expecting a tight logic. Finally, epilogue. In the final scan, we see Sarah, or rather, the woman calling herself Sarah, smiling sweetly as she applies for a new caregiving job in another town under a different name. It's an eerie ending that suggests her evil cycle might not be over. Themes and reflection. A Fall from Grace explored themes of trust, loneliness, manipulation, and the vulnerability of older women who crave companionship after heartbreak. It also explores the flaw of the justice system, how easily an innocent person can be pushed to plead guilty, and how appearance can deceive even the smart people. Grass Fall is just about crime, it's about how love and desperation can blind us and how the system often punishes the victim instead of the real predator. That's the full story of Fall from Grace as 2020, a twitch love story that turned into a psychological trial, where every act of kindness hide a darker track.